Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to recharge my mobile number via my GPay application, and it shows payment failed, trouble accessing your contacts account. So how to fix this kind of error notifications from your GPay? So before moving to our tutorial, first of all, why this error happening? So my guessing is if maybe I won't give the contact permission for this Google Pay application. So due to this contact access permission, this type of errors are occurring. So anyway, how to fix this issue? So let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method is just long press on that Google Pay app icon. And in top of this icon, it shows some options. So here you can select app info. And it shows this app related settings. So just scroll down and then go to permissions. So here you can go to contacts. So here my contact access permission is disabled. So I try to give the permission by simply select allow. So after I give this contact access permission, now once again I try to check it because my Google Pay works or not. So finally you can see now this time this GPay access my contacts, and also one of my contact is successfully linked with my GPay application, and it does not show any other error notifications, and the previously occurred error message is also gone. So this is the way you can easily fix your GPay contact access permission by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Data Box, and thanks for watching.